Hello and welcome, and I'm here to present to you Omikoshi or Mikoshi. What is an Omikoshi? An Omikoshi is a portable Shinto shrine for the gods and spirits. The literal translation is a portable Shinto shrine. This is a small replica building fixed with 4 poles that many people carry. The main palanquin, this is usually carried by strong men, are called kasugite. There are also plenty smaller ones, as presented with the image above, that little ones get to carry around. What does Omikoshi represent? The Omikoshi is a physical representation of the transferring of a deity from the world of Kami to bless the homes of the faithful. Obviously, we can't put a deity in there, so there's a sacred mirror or other substitute for the sacred symbol of Kami from the shrine placed inside Mikoshi after a special ritual. For the children's Omikoshi, they generally put inside a little sheet of paper that has the word Kami, so it doesn't get too heavy for them. What does one do with the Omikoshi? Many people, the kasugite, carry it and bob it up and down in rhythm. They chant wash-shoi over and over, and people assume that this was to amuse the Kami. Because carrying such a heavy item is difficult, there are rest stations along the route for the people carrying this Omikoshi. These rest stations are called otabashito. Here's a little example video of what happens. Here you can see a whole bunch of people carrying it. I think that's enough. I hope you enjoyed, and here are my sources.